In the today's video, we will see how we can move any picture on a Word file anywhere. So as you can see, I have added one picture in the Word file, but I can't able to move that picture on the Word. So to move that picture, we have to do some setting. So let's see what are these settings to do. So I am deleting this picture. I'm going to insert, click on picture, select a picture that you want. I'm selecting one picture and insert it. Hold down shift key and drag this point so that you will resize the picture. Go to format, click on wrap text, and here choose one option as in front of text. So as you can see, we can move picture anywhere in our Word file. Similar option you are having if you right click on this picture and go to the wrap text. Here are same options are available in front of text. There are multiple options also. These are available in line with text, square, tight. These are options also you can try. So if you think this video is helpful to you, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.